This is Douglas Bay Marine Nature Reserve, and it might be a bit of a surprise to have one so close to the island's biggest town and port. But actually there's quite a diversity of habitats here, everything from kelp forest, mud, sand and even bare rock, and so that supports a wide range of different species. The marine nature reserves prevent the use of things like dredges and trawl gear inside them, and so that allows some of our smaller, more delicate species to survive. And in the middle of the bay here, we recently discovered a thing called Beaumont's nudibranch, which is a small species of sea slug, pretty rare, only found in Norway and the British Isles, and we know that it's breeding here. And just offshore from Onken Head, some of the biggest species here, things like minke whale and spur dog, come here to feed on the herring that's collect offshore. One of our more dedicated marine observers has recorded 140 species in Douglas Bay. And it's actually really important that we have people keeping an eye out, because it's a busy port, so the prospect of invasive non-native species is always an important consideration.